Hey guys, welcome back to the Perkins channel.
Welcome back to the Perkins channel.
You always make fun of me when
Today,
I say that. We're reporting live from Los Angeles, California.
To the Perkins channel. Sometimes what? Say it.
I can't
say
say it
We're
out
recording.
loud.
Say it.
No, video evidence.
Say
Not
it.
gonna say it.
Say it.
I love you.
The lies right now. Okay. Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, we have something so fun to share with you. I'm not pregnant, first of all. Every time I want to say announcement, but everybody initially thinks...
If you were to say that.
A woman can't say she has an announcement these days, anytime, any day, because then people think that she's pregnant. But there's other things that women can announce. I will promise you that. So we have a fun announcement that actually verifies that we are in fact crazy.
We are crazy.
We are crazy. And I know that. I'm well aware. It's fine.
I always knew that.
Steven's known that since he married me. But if we're really being honest, we have foreshadowed this and I have put this into the universe. So,
What do you want to say, Des?
what do you want to say?
We have a new addition to the family.
We have a new addition. We are now parents of 3
Canines.
dogs. Yep. Love Leo Rescue is where we adopted Canole from, and she was such a huge success over here. We love...
I'm gonna leave you right there.
You know what? This is the diva attitude. We were just praising you,
Come here, little one.
and you snapped. Gremlin.
Cut to commercial.
Cut to commercial. Cut to commercial.
You ready?
Ready? Let me do it. Da da da! Look at this little guy. Say hello, little guy. This puppy is literally like Harper and Canole had a baby.
Love Leo Rescue, who
Love
we
Leo
got
Rescue.
Canole
Shout out
from.
to Love Leo.
It says that he's poodle terrier. They don't know what the mom and dad look like,
Look at him.
but he does have really big paws.
He has
and he's
big
about
paws.
10 to 11 weeks old, so
He might get big. We don't know. I mean, I think he is gonna get big because look at these girthy, meaty paws. He is just a precious little angel. Look at him.
I think double Harper.
Double Harper or like...
But you think bigger?
He gives me Labradoodle vibes, like the size-wise. He
Long
has
limbs.
long Labradoodle-y,
Long
like
limbs.
legs and arms. Y'all, I'm crazy.
You're good.
Okay, I have 3 dogs.
You know, Katie has 3 dogs though.
Yeah, she's crazy also.
Oh, so we're
So she's
entering
also
into crazy
Yeah,
territory.
I've crossed like acceptable amount. Now 3 is like, you know, you're a crazy dog lady. People look at you weird. Nobody's gonna invite us anywhere because we have too many dogs.
First, when we got him, he was like super shy. He'd run away from people. He like wasn't comfortable at all. Now he's starting to come up to us. He's starting to be very playful.
I was about to name him Shy, thinking that he was shy, and he has taken a turn.
He's like a piranha or
He
a lion
is like
now.
a little lion cub. I'm pretty sure we adopted a lion. He's teething right now. It's like the whole thing. So this is how it went down. Sasha from Love Leo Rescue sent me a picture of a puppy that was my spec. And also mentioned that there was a family fostering him literally down the street from our house. So it was a sign, right? Like we had to go over to the house to meet this puppy just for fun. It was a weekend
Just to check it
activity.
out.
I was like, well, we're not doing anything. Why don't we just go
We're not gonna get another
see
dog.
the puppy and we'll just like play with him and give him some love and then we'll come home and whatever. So we go to see the puppy and
Somehow we walked out of that house with a puppy.
yes.
Again, they said, hey, here you go, test drive it. See how it works out with your other dogs.
Yep.
When we got home, we introduced him to Harper and Canole, and I think we did everything wrong you
Everything
could
wrong.
possibly do.
How
We
to
looked up the night of how to integrate a new puppy into a
And basically,
family.
we checked off everything that they said to do. We did the opposite. So
But
they
it's
were
working
pissed.
out.
We figured it out now, and now they are all okay.
One day turned into a week, and now we have been with this little guy for about 9 days.
He was found in like this Mad Max type junkyard, from what we heard. So for the first few days, like he felt more comfortable outside, and every time he came inside, he got really uncomfortable. Like he felt like he
run
was
to
being
a corner.
cornered.
Yeah.
We had to like approach him really slowly, and now he's just like this totally different dog. When Katie met him the first day, she thought he was super shy, and then come day 2, she was like, who is this dog? This is a different dog.
We took him to Squad's house. We went
Squad's
to John
house.
and Katie's house. We took that little guy just to introduce him to Turbo, Mikey, and Zoe, and we did it like one by one. So it was like really cute, and we got to see the different personalities. And he really attached with Turbo. Like he was like
He loved Turbo. He actually really loved Mike too. And Zoe is like Canole. Like they just don't really care for anyone else. He doesn't respect me. He respects Steven a lot more.
Ow! 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 Ow!
He likes you. Look at that.
Get a puppy, they said. He's such an angel. His personality is just now coming out. He loves Harper. Like, it's so funny because he will try his best to get Harper's love and affection. And Harper's kind of just like, don't talk to me.
But
we
he
actually
won't
have a little
stop.
picture of them three together, and it's legit like, don't sit with us. He is trying so hard to become part of the family, and you know, it takes a while. Like when we first got Canole, Harper was exactly the same, growled all the time because, you know, Harper's very old and this is like very hyper puppy energy, so
But he's good.
she doesn't
Harper's
have
like-
time for that.
Harper's like checking his energy though. Like she's like a wise dog.
She
Being
checks
a
him.
puppy and just coming up and like
Harper's
in
Latina,
Harper's
so you know.
face, Harper just will like growl at him, nip at him once, and little homeboy just backs up.
Yep, he backs up. So, but it's so funny because no matter how much Harper checks him, he is attached to her. He wants to sleep next to her. He follows her around the house. He just like loves her. And it's so sweet, but also sad to see Harper just be like, get the fuck away from me, basically.
But when we take them on walks and we put them out in the front yard, which is more of like a neutral territory, they get along. They play, they run after each other. There we have like a little video clip of when they first did it. What did he do?
He's in lion mode. He's in attack mode.
He's
I'm
going
afraid
for
he's
the
gonna
earring.
bite my earring. Oh, you guys. I was sleeping and he jumped on the bed and somehow he just went straight for my nipple and bit and grabbed on. I don't even know how he like knew where the nipple was exactly. Like he just,
He was thirsty.
the first bite he got, oh. His belly's so cute. He's like a little cow. And he's just so fluffy. He's just like a, Shayla said we should name him Pillow because he loves to hide behind pillows. She's like, give him a Hollywood name like Pillow. You know, like Apple, just some random name. We don't have a name for him. So basically what I want is for you guys to help us name the new little member of our family. He looks like he'd have like a real human name like Gilbert. Brian. Paul. Todd. Leave us some comments down below letting us know what you guys think his name should be. I'm gonna put it on the record here right now that my brother Keish said that if we ever needed someone to watch him, he would be the one to do it.
Keish?
That's not on record.
It is on
It's on
record.
record.
You did say that. You
Just
were
'cause
like,
you're
please
denying it
adopt
now.
him. I'm such a sucker. Once that dog came home with me, that was it. It's like game over. I knew he wasn't gonna go anywhere, but I was refusing to say like 100% yes. But now I know for sure he's not going anywhere. I don't know what to expect with him. Like I haven't had a big dog since I was a kid. I don't even know how big he's gonna get. He might not get that big, but his paws and legs and his head, it tells me something
That's
else.
big.
It tells me a different story.
Well, because
here.
I grew up with big dogs, and that's all I knew. So when I first like started dating you, you had the small dogs, and I wasn't used to small dogs. I was like, why would anyone have a small dog? And then I fell in love with small dogs.
They're
and
just
now,
easier when you travel a lot. It's a
Yeah.
lot easier to have small dogs.
So it does. The anxiety of having a bigger dog is definitely there, but I think it's going to be a great addition.
But
so.
we're fine.
We're gonna be good.
It's fine. We just wanted to give you guys the introduction to our new little guy. Please help us name him. I think that's all we have to say for now. I'm sure I will keep you guys updated on stories and let you know what little guy has chewed up in my house today. It might be a series. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. Love you guys so much. See you later. Where's the little guy?
Little guy, where'd you go? It's behind the
Look
pillow.
it.
Oh my
Pillow.
He's so cute. Have him on standby.
On
He's in
standby.
the green room. Keep
Have him in the green room on standby, ready to go.
Can you make sure he stays refreshed, please?
Come here. Ow. Hello,
more
YouTube. Are you checking yourself out again? We don't have time for this.
Making sure that my hair was good. Jeez, I have a reputation to withhold.
He's biting the shit out of me right now. Where's the little guy?
They literally handed Canole to us and were like, oh, he made a surprise entrance.
No, we have to hide him.
It's too soon, little
Too
man.
soon.